Okay, good morning, students. Today in sales and distribution management, that is in MBA fourth semester, that is in marketing specialization, we are going to deal the topic that is known as what? Sales organization, functions and responsibilities. Okay, on the last class of this particular subject, that is sales and distribution, we have did the sales organizational structure. Okay, today we are going to deal the functions and responsibilities of sales organization. Okay, that how does, or we can say that the sales organization management functions and responsibility. Okay, in simple words we can say that sales force management or sales organization means management of or planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling of personal selling activities of the organization. Okay, in other words we can also say that sales force management prefers all task of personal management. It in this connection it can be said sales force management is essentially the personnel personnel management applied to personal selling activities of the company. Okay, in this we can also say that according to American Marketing Association, there is a statement related to sales management, sales force management, that is, it is the planning, direction and control of the personal selling activities of business unit, including recruitment, selection, training, equipping, assigning, rating, supervising, motivating and paying, as these tasks apply to sales force. Okay, so this is what the basic definition that of sales force organization, that what does the sales force organization does and how does the activities are being done. Now we are going to learn about the sales force. We are going to deal about the sales force management responsibilities, sales force organization functions and responsibilities. In this, the very first function or responsibilities of sales force organization is what? Mode of communication, method or mode of communication. Okay, in this it is the method of personal communication, it is the way of face to face communication. The very first function responsibility is what? The method of communication, and that method of communication is what? Personal communication, that we have to communicate to the people personally. Okay, with face to face communication. Okay, the second one is what? Direction of communication. In this there is two-way direction of communication, that is from seller to buyer and buyer to seller communication is being done. Okay, third functions and responsibility is what? Degree of flexibility. Exactly, this degree of flexibility means what? It is more that it is much more. Sales management or sales organization is very much flexible. Okay, salesman finds it easy to adjust with situation. He can alter his presentation as per situation. Okay, because the people is there and they can alter, so there might be a very much flexibility. And fourth one is what? Cost per contact. There the per contact cost is considerably high, because for communicating each and every people, single costing is being done. Communication, travel expenses, phone expenses, and most of the expenses are being incurred, so it is costly. Okay, fifth one is what? Time taken to convey message, that it is also it is a very slow process. At a time one salesman can talk to one or limited people. Okay, amount of information here, comparatively more information is being supplied in comparison to the others. Or if we talk about the feedback, then immediate and direct feedback can be measured. Salesman can know the buying intention of buyers. Degree of control, if we talk about the degree of control, then it is not controllable. Okay, because salesman can present his stock and product as per his skills, knowledge and experience. Okay, you can't control, it all depends upon the salesman, that how he is talking, and accordingly you can convince the people. Okay, the next is what? Degree of creativity and influence. Here the creativity depends on ability of individual salesman. Comparatively it is more influential. Okay, so these are the different functions and responsibilities of sales management. Okay, in this functions and responsibilities, there are various few functions and responsibilities of sales organization. That is what? Prospecting. It is what? To find out the prospects, that where are their potential buyers or where are their potential customers. The other one is what? Targeting. It is concerned with allotting time for prospects and customers. Third one is what? Promoting. It concerns with promoting necessary activities to promote new products. Okay, and other one is what? Servicing. Servicing is a very important functions and responsibilities of sales management organization. It concerns with regarding technical and non-technical services to buyers. Salesmen provide a number of after sales services to customers. Okay, other one is what? Information gathering. It concerns with collecting useful information for the company from relevant responsibilities. Okay, and the other one is what? Allocating. It concerns with allocating the scarce products to customers. It means that their responsibility to allocate the scarce products, whatever the products and services which is being needed by the customers. It is the responsibility of the salesperson to assort, to make accessible the products, that whatever the corner of the nation or the state or the globe the customer is, it is the responsibility of the salesperson to allocate those particular resources to them. Image creation. The other one is what? Image creation. It concerns with talking positively and favorably about company. Exactly. Sales people or the organization try to create and improve company's image and reputation. They must remove customers' misunderstandings about company and products. Okay, this is a very important responsibility and function of sales organization. That it is, it all depends upon the sales organization, that they have to, what they have to do, they have to deal with the company's responsibilities, the company's goodwill, the company's situations, the company's reputations, the company's image are being put up, and the favorable and positive points would be put in front of the customers, and they are the only base. Sales organizations, this is one of the important function. Okay, educating. The other function and responsibility is what? Related to the educating. Salesmen educate, or the sales organization educate the customers to use the product properly. They also teach them a lot of product related matters. Okay, and other one is what? Relations building. Salesmen or the sales organizations are expected to build and maintain healthy and permanent relations with the valued customers. Okay, so these are the very important points which is being considered at the when we are going to deal with the sales organization. Okay, some of the responsibilities which comes in the management part, that is, it is management of personal selling activities of the firm. Okay, it is also optional. It is necessary only when company opt for personal selling. Okay, it is not same as sales management, but part of sales management. Okay, management objective are to make personal selling efforts effective. Salesforce objectives, if we talk about the objectives, if we talk about the various functions of Salesforce, if we talk about the Salesforce, if we are going to deal about the Salesforce management part in the organization, the management of the Salesforce is being done. Then the various activities which comes, activities are in the form of functions and responsibilities, or the authorities which comes in the form of, in the part of sales organizations are in the form of what? Salesforce management. That is being known as what? Salesforce management. And those are what? Recruitment and selection of sales personnel, training of salespeople, that how we are going to provide the training to the salespeople. Third one is what? Sales force motivation, how we are going to motivate the sales. Designing sales compensation plans, how we are going to design the compensation plans to the salesperson, which is related to the monetary part. Okay, and the last one is what? Evaluation of sales force, how we are going to evaluate the sales force, the evaluation ankalan, how we are going to evaluate the sales force activities or their work activities, that how much work they have did, how we are going to evaluate all those work activities. All these are what? The responsibilities and functions of a sales organization. Okay students, on the next video we are going to look upon the sales force management part. Okay, on that sales force management part we are going to deal the recruitment and selection, the training of sales people, sales force motivation, designing sales compensation plans, and evaluation of sales force. Okay, thank you to all of you.